Have you ever wanted to track how many people clicked on a specific link? Or maybe you wanted to create a shortened URL for easier sharing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a tool called Bitly, which you could use for your Etsy products to track your links. And the main benefit of using it is tracking your traffic, which will help you identify which platforms bring you the most traffic so you could be more intentional when promoting your Etsy products. Let me show you how it works. So let's say that I'm going to go ahead and promote this particular product and I want to share it on Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms. Normally what I would do is copy this URL, go to Facebook, and share the link. And from there, the feature image will pop up. You can always delete the URL, and when people click on the feature image, it will take them directly to your Etsy store. What I like to do on my social media posts is have the feature image, but also like to have like a call to action. So I like to tell people, click here to head over to my store to grab this Etsy subscription payment tracker. Now, the issue with this link is that it's so long that for a lot of people, they might mistakenly think it's spam and they're not going to want to click on it. So the solution to shorten down your URL and also have a URL that you could actively track to see where most of your traffic is coming from is using a tool like Bitly. And what's cool about this tool is that all you have to do is just click right here on the orange button where it says create. You will enter your long URL here. You could use this for your Etsy store, Shopify, or even if you have a website. And this is your URL here. And what's great about it is that you could add additional tracking tools here. So let's say that you're currently running a special, it's a summer special. You could actually have this URL be a specific URL just for the special to see how it does. So if you were to do that, all you have to do is put the source. So where are you sharing this particular link? So I'm going to say social media. If you're sharing it to your email list, you would say email list. If you're sharing it somewhere very specific, you will add it there. Then it says medium. Are you running? Is this a CPC campaign? So is it an advertising campaign? Is it a banner campaign? Do you have it in a specific banner? Are you sending it out as an email? I'm going to do regular posts because this is going to be a social media post. And it says campaign. Is this a summer sale that you're running? Is this a holiday sale? So I'm going to go ahead and say summer sale. So now what this is going to do is it's going to add this different parameters to the actual URL. So once you have all of this filled out, go ahead and click on create. This is going to create a new URL. The one is a lot easier to read, is a lot shorter, it's not going to look as spammy. You can actually name the title so it doesn't look like this. So I would just put Etsy tracker, whatever your product is, make sure that you put your name there. And from here, you can also customize the back half if you wanted to as well. And what's cool about this is that it gives you the option to do a QR code if you needed to, and you can also tweet this directly from Bitly. So go ahead and save it. And from here, you have a custom shortened URL. So this is a URL that you will share that will take them directly to your product. The difference now is that this particular product now has those parameters that we added. So it will say summer sale, it will say social media, and it will say post. And this is going to give you an idea when you go back to Bitly. It's going to tell you how many people have clicked on it, where your traffic is coming from. It also gives you demographics, which is amazing. And it also tells you what is the top traffic source for this particular link. And what you're going to do is after 30 days, you're going to start looking at your data. You're going to start looking at it and figuring out, okay, so the busiest time that people were clicking was around 7 p.m. And the traffic source that brought me the most traffic was YouTube. And then the total clicks was 25, and the source that brought me the most traffic from the country is US. This is a lot of valuable information because this is really going to give you a lot of insight on your demographics, which is going to help you be more intentional when it comes to content marketing and also strategizing ways to drive more traffic to your Etsy products. I personally use the free version of Bitly, but feel free to upgrade and use the additional features that they offer. Let me know in the comments if you plan to use it, and thanks for watching.